Welcome to MPS Motivators, a unique online teaching and learning platform. This is Janendra Kumar standing in front of you. Before starting my this session, I would like to wish you all a very gracious good morning. So good morning friends. In my previous session, I taught you special rules in direct and indirect speech. First of all, I taught you the special rules related to assertive sentences. Thereafter, I taught you special rules related to interrogative sentences. And I also taught you types of interrogative sentences. Thereafter, I taught you a few examples based on interrogative sentences. And today in this session, I am going to teach you something more about questions related to interrogative sentences in direct and indirect speech. Friends, I have written here say, said may be changed into inquire, inquires, inquired. In place of ask, asks, asked, we can also use inquire, inquires, inquired. And if the combination is say, said plus to plus object, then we will use inquire, inquires, inquired plus of plus object. Friends, I have taken a sentence in direct speech as an example. My father says to me, do you complete your homework? मेरे पिताजी मुझसे कहते हैं, क्या तुम अपना होमवर्क पूरा करते हो? Here we notice that after says to and after to an object me has been used in this sentence. That's why in place of says to we will use either asks me or inquires of me. The given sentence is in direct speech and its indirect speech may be formed in two ways. The sentence in direct speech is my father says to me, do you not complete your homework? मेरे पिताजी मुझसे कहते हैं, क्या तुम अपना गृह कार्य पूरा नहीं करते हो? Then friends, we can transform the above sentence given in direct speech into indirect speech in two ways. The first way is this: my father asks me if I don't complete my homework. My father asks me if I don't complete my homework. And the other way of transforming the same sentence into indirect speech is my father inquires of me if I do not complete my homework. I would like to repeat the sentence. My father inquires of me if I do not complete my homework. If in place of says there is a verb said, we will use inquired in place of inquires. That we will see in some other examples. Take its screenshot. Friends, I have taken the second example of direct speech. The sentence is, he said to me, where are you going? उसने मुझसे कहा, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? So, like before, we can transform this sentence also in two ways. Friends, I have transformed the sentence given above in direct speech into indirect speech in two ways. In the first way, the indirect speech of the above sentence in direct speech will be, he asked me where I was going. I think I don't need to make you understand why we have not used if or whether in this sentence, because I have already taught you about it in my previous session. Here the question word has been used replacing the inverted commas. Here we will not use whether or if, because the interrogative sentence does not start with an auxiliary verb, but before an auxiliary verb a question word has come. That's why we will use the question word by replacing inverted commas. So the indirect speech of the above sentence will be either he asked me where I was going, or he inquired of me where I was going. In place of asked, we have used here inquired of. Friends, the third example in direct speech is she said, why is he weeping? She said, why is he weeping? उसने कहा वह क्यों रो रहा है? And it's indirect speech in both the ways is she asked why he was weeping, or she inquired why he was weeping. Here we have not used to after inquired because there is no object after inquired. After said there is no object. That's why we have not taken of after inquired. So friends, this is a very interesting point related to interrogative sentences in direct and indirect speech. And with this example, I am ending this session. If you like my this video, don't forget to like it, comment it and share it to your friends, and also download MPS Motivators by going to Play Store. Thank you. Have a nice day.